Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on see all 33 apps, of course 33 are in my case, and here let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see here we've got the list of app preferences which will be reset. So it will reset disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and actually this is it. We do not receive any information, any notification, so it means that actually your device reset all of the preferences without notifying you about that. So actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.